Welcome back to part 4, the final part of my 4-part series on how to make a login page using Jetpack Compose from scratch. I hope you're as excited as I am. Today, the only thing we really have left to do is to add this little circle and this logo up at the top in that specific position. So, let's get started, shall we? First, let's add the orange circle background just above where our box is about to end, and we'll make a column. This column is going to, from the top of the page to about where the logo is, just have like the purpose of this column is so that we can get the logo positioned properly using a spacer. So to style the column, we're going to have a horizontal alignment center horizontally. After that, a modifier, which is of type modifier. And we're going to do fill max size. Why not? Just make it the entire page. Why? Let's just make it the whole page. Then inside of the column, we're going to start with a spacer, which is around modifier. It's around modifier.size 90 dp. And then we're going to add another box inside of our box. We're going to do box, regular braces for styling, curly braces for content. Inside of this box, we're going to do content alignment, alignment.center. This will put everything nicely in the middle. Remember a comma. Then we're going to hit it with the modifier equals modifier, a classic move. Dot size equals 100 dp. And we're going to hit it with a dot background, which is of course going to be rocket color. But because this is a circle, we're going to do this. We're going to say this. Shape equals circle. Oh, what the f... Anyways, we're going to do shape, circle shape. This will circle shape our box. Then we're going to import our little rocket icon. But first, before we import it, it needs to have a nice home to get imported into. So we're going to say image, painter, content description, painter. Let's make it rocket ship, because it's based off of rocket color. This is going to be rocket ship. And then let's just have a modifier. Set it to, not you. Modifier size around 80 dp. Now let's go import our image. If you can remember, we go to Resource Manager, up at the plus, import drawables, and it is called rocket.png, a nice transparent PNG of a rocket. We do next. I don't care about any of this. Zimzalabim, it's right there. Back into my project manager, you'll see it's also been imported into the drawables file. Now, to actually display this, we're going to need another value named rocket ship. So right the way back up to the top we go. I'm getting lazy, so I'm just going to copy paste this, the background image that we used previously, and just name it rocket ship or drawable rocket. Refresh the build. And it's done. As you can see over here, we have our nice logo in the middle of our orange circle. Thank you for joining me. That concludes this 4-part series on how to make a login screen from scratch in Android Studio using Jetpack Compose. I'll see you in the next video.